Here's Chief Meteorologist Haley Clausen.
We're beginning to see some activity on our satellite and radar. Of course, throughout today, we've seen those clouds building over our mountains and now beginning to see some of these radar returns indicating rain and snow beginning to work its way into the Southland. However, the big bulk of moisture is not going to be arriving until overnight, more so into tomorrow morning. So there it is. It's still off towards the northwest, but it is headed our way. Now, something we've been experiencing all throughout today have been gusty west winds. Still at this time, a wind gust of 51 miles per hour in Whitewater, 31 miles per hour in Cathedral City. There is still a wind advisory for the San Gorgonio Pass stretching into the northern Coachella Valley until tomorrow night for those gusts to reach 50 to 60 miles per hour. The wind will continue to be a part of our weather story, but so is precipitation. We're going to be talking about a lot of snow and even rain right here in the Coachella Valley. So looking ahead at our FUTURECAST, we're putting this into motion, looking ahead at 8 a.m. That's when we're going to begin to see that first push really work its way closer to the Coachella Valley. And through the mid-morning hours is when I'm looking at our first accumulation occurring here on the valley floor. Overall, we're still looking at light amounts, but any rain is good rain here in the desert when we're talking about light amounts. So this is going to be continuing throughout the day on Wednesday as the system just continues to bring that moisture farther inland. And then it will even continue into our Thursday as well, with more snow and colder air sinking those snow levels down to 3,000, 3,500 feet, which means even portions of the high desert are looking at having some of that snow. But again, a lot of snow is going to be falling for our mountains, and that's why a winter storm warning is now in effect for those elevations above 3,000 feet. This is both for San Bernardino and Riverside County mountains. And we're talking again about a lot of snow, even just between 3,000 and 4,000 feet. 2 to 5 inches, some nice amounts there, but then you really begin to climb up in elevation, and in the highest peaks, we're talking about an excess of 20 inches of snow. Fantastic news for ski resorts. Not good news if you have to travel, especially through the Cajon Pass tomorrow on the 15th. Heads up, you are going to be encountering that snow accumulating down that low. Here in the desert, even a little bit of rain, some nice amounts. Again, we like light amounts here in the desert. So Karen, overall, we could see anywhere between a 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch here on the valley floor and highs in the 60s.
Okay, a little bit of